Alright, my people, una good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. How una dey? I hope una dey okay. I hope una dey fine this evening. Happy Sunday to everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. I wish all of una the best, and I pray for us this week where we enter, so it will better pass week for the come. It get issue with the ground when I just can't talk about within a very short time, and after that, yeah, then we'll close. Why would the stream for here? If possible for me, then I will see the stream for YouTube. But if not, maybe after here I'll go to my YouTube, just in case you won't follow me up for all of them. Now my YouTube name you see, so AIG. Just click on the name, and as you click on the name, you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that in case I finish for here, then I go that side, you will still follow me up. The issue wey dey here be say, or issue we wan talk about this evening now, issue wey be say it concern everybody. This one not be say you say e no concern you, no, this one na for everybody. Okay, why I say na for everybody? Na all about children, whether they say now for Nigeria. The issue don't become something else wey be say everywhere you go for that Nigeria, so to say pikin like on the rain. Before they say na shit that they chop, later they say na pants that they say in the name of Yahoo whatever, but now na human being they come they say. It don't even pass all those steps. The thing don't pass all those stages. The stage where they now to say human being take get money. And some of these people you discover say they not even get person, or they're not even born where the thief people take go they say. Now make if you go market today, maybe you carry pikin go market, sometimes you hear say the person not see and bring come house. Even for churches, we they hear that sometimes. Person go church, you know, will come back. Person go market, not come back. Person go school, not come back. Where all these people they go? We thank God for our Nigeria police, so don't they do small work. No, and God constantly they pull hand join now. We don't they see the real issue where they dey behind all these things. Sometimes I think say maybe where person lost, now maybe not no road. But later I come to discover say, I'll be saying no road. Even grown up person said they're your thief. How you go your thief big person? You want put in our pocket? How they take the do one? Now charm. So now this issue we want check out this evening. And as I do one, I will give you the update. Then after we don't watch the videos finish, then we will start to the analyze the something, because now very something a very annoying issue will be say as a human being, you just wake up in the morning, the only thing wey just come into your mind now how to go sell human being, how to go sell pikin. You imagine that kind of thing? The thing get as a be now. If now your own person they carry or your own pikin, how you will feel? But in this case, you just wake up in the morning, instead of you go work, you know find work, then what you can find now? How you want a thief pikin where you will sell because you need urgent money. Thank God how to come meet these two set of people. As how to meet them, they can start to they confess. And I go good make I show now, so that una will by yourself see know wetin they happen. You understand? Because it's good say everybody will see what I they talk about. More now watch.
Talk again. Okay. What did they do? You say if they step pikin how? Explain. How they take step pikin?
How they deliver them to people.
How they get pikin on itself?
How they steal them.
You thief pikin. Salam.
Salam.
Which kind pikin? Which kind pikin you dey? Like how many years? What you go thief?
2 years.
2 years pikin. You go sell and give who?
One woman.
Where the woman name?
Woman not tell me this.
Where the woman dey? So where you dey thief pikin from? Where Umochala dey? Where Arara Junction dey? Aba. Okay, so you thief the pikin from Aba. Eh? Carry and go Umochala. Carry and go Umochala. You can suppose. Hold on like this. You hold one. You hold one.
I go keep our father child.
Carry and go.
I be out of there.
How you dey carry the pikin? How you dey tell the pikin when go take follow you? You buy the drug am. You buy am biscuit or egg. He go follow you. Then which kind motor you dey enter? Comot.
Na machine I see at the end of my car.
Nobody go stop you for road. Ask whether the pikin na your own. And the pikin no go dey cry. So how many pikin you don thief?
Now this one, now I want to carry for me.
You don thief 2 pikin. You don thief 2 pikin. How much you sell the 2 pikin?
Give me 100,000. Share 50,000. Give me 200 for this one. One.
So the pikin, the pikin when you thief na boy abi na girl? The 2 na boy. The woman still be thief boy.
Yes.
What is the woman they take the pikin do?
Tell me they sell for people who know get
2 years pikin.
Yes.
You ask her how much they tell her.
No ask.
Okay. So what you can bring here?
I pastor is still nothing.
All right, more first talk this issue small. You hear the kind picking whether the thief. If na person will be say he need man or he need boy picking or boy child, he go tell this boy say, "Mona go thief small picking can we be boy." If na get child, they need the same thing. But this issue, the matter get as it be for a year. Nowhere where you go for Nigeria where you say we dey complain of Boko Haram, we go complain of herdsmen, we go complain of different kinds of people. This one still they do their own. How when I say make the Nigeria be? How now with this kind of attitude, how that country want it better? Don't be say I not be government too. I already do my own part come out. So you will do this so your own part to share to make sure say these issues it circulate. Everybody need to be aware of what they happen. Because you know if you carry person pikin, we use 9 months put for belle, you go sell them for another person, maybe person will not get as you take to confess. So he get as it be. Anyway, more continue to the listing. Then after that, we will get anything to say. You go say, and as you see the number so for your screen, you're very free to call in and then give your contribution.
They can't cash you. Who cash you? Oh, the SAS. I don't can't cash you. Can't cash you.
Don't catch me for you.
Oh, you know. Oh, you dey hide. Okay. So you, what be your name? She also Silvano. Yeah.
This man here is the one that sent me to go and bring this pikin.
To go and thief this pikin.
The one that sent me to go and thief this pikin.
So you thief am from who?
I thief her from his mom.
Put am for chest.
I thief this boy out from another shop.
Okay, what in the mother they do?
In the child.
Mother they get here. You can't enter inside the pikin. People see you when you thief the pikin. But they don't know. Okay, the woman know you. You and the woman are friend and neighbor. The woman can't know they suspect say you the thief the pikin. You can't carry and do it. Okay, your guy saying you may go the thief pikin. Okay. So when you can't thief the pikin, how much your guy give you? 15,000. 50,000. You'll give you 50,000. Okay, when you thief the pikin, what do you take the 50,000 to?
I use the 50,000 go to
Go wrong, go away.
my God, tell me to go to Patagon. I said that I'm going to because people have known me that place well.
Okay. So the pikin when they thief, your guy tell you what they miss the pikin do?
Say me, my God tell me that it's for those who don't have any child.
When them born you, then thief you. Oh, Allah.
Then thief you where they born you. Now question I ask you, you know if you answer, you where the thief pikin, then thief you where they born you.
Oh, Allah.
Now you fit stay with your parents till today, now you grow up. Now with the thief pikin, now go they sell and they go they do suya. Because now need extra money. Anyway, this video now to let people, father and mother, parents, guardians, more na the whole na children well because the one where our boys come there now the rate where they say they find money for that Nigeria sorry na it be their second name because who they just lay hand on any pikin now where they just lay hand on na sorry na it be their this thing na it be the second name because just imagine wetin dey happen pikin wey person use wey suffer with 9 good months some even pass 9 months put for belle at the end of the day you just carry am you say you wan go sell am if you even check all these people not be all don get children o some of these ones no know how they take dey born pikin no talk of say you wan come raise pikin then after e don dey grow one person just come from nowhere just sell am because you need urgent money yahoo don comot to chop shit don comot to eat different things don comot now na to dey sell human being wetin come even dey pay me pass if na only these young boys dey do am now I will still dey think am one kind but what about some women wey still involve for all this kind of attitude another video there go on live play this one na mature women wey be say they even get their own children for house they keep their children for house then they carry another people dey sell dey give people wey need children or people wey wan use children take do something else alright make we still watch the second one make we see how e be because e no really make any sense for all this kind of thing to dey happen.
The woman today and you told this woman now 1 million naira so that you can collect 50,000 inside. Okay. Now, how did you come here today? Where do you stay? What is your name? No culture. From home I am. You arrested the us here today at Wilfredo shop. Or where? Where were you arrested? Room of your shop. What happened? Where were you here? Okay.
I have somebody that is like
Okay. Okay.
Then I said that I should come and check it very well.
Okay. Talk loud.
That is how my voice is. Then as I don't ask them.
As this woman just big rich like this, you get your own family, you get your own children, you go dey thief people they say. Now wow, that Nigeria don't spoil pass. People wey dey view, where they look, how una see this issue? Now nobody there, so mona call, mona contribute. How una see this issue? Now wow, how long this kind of thing will continue for our country? Now only God can help us.
Okay, that is why you came. Okay. Who do you come with? Who do you come with?
Who just said these people dress up now?
What is her name?
Alright, who just said these people dress up now? Waka come on in the morning. You officer na good business they won't go do. You leave your children, you bath them, take care of them. You leave them where? For house. You come on, carry bag, you go the thief people. As you thief the pikin now, you go sell them. Yahoo no can reach you. Pant no can reach you na what na they say. Na human being na come just even the big people now your pocket them, thief them, put for pocket. Big person. Na charm na they use. How that they do this themselves? And our Nigeria government, those ones not even get any help for inside. You go sure say person lost. They never you just be like say you're on your own, you not concerned them. How long we want continue this kind of life?
The time you came and bought the other one, she also came with you to come and buy the baby. How much you bought the first one? That's your man's daughter or son?
I don't know her. I don't know her.
Okay, how much you bought that one? 1 1. What is 1 1? 1,100,000. One what? 100 what?
1.1 million. I think they buy human beings so.
Okay, that's what you bought it.
Hey,
okay, when you bought it, 1,100,000 naira. That was what you bought the first baby bought. From who? Now, today, this one you from who? Okay, this one you came today to buy. How much do you want to sell it today? Huh?
She's the one that gave me the money.
How much she give you? How much?
1 1.
Where is the money?
And so 1 not they finish for your body. 1.1, you all the buy children. 1.1. See the money for ground.
Only for her. Collect it out for your hand.
Way. 1.1 to buy 115. Thank God say how don't meet una today.
Okay, this 1.1 million. What do you want to use it to do?
I never see this.
I say, what did you come to do with 1.1 million?
She called me to come and see the baby now. That's why I came to
You will now pay. Huh? You will do what?
I will not to her.
For who? To who?
I don't even know her name.
Now, you will pay what? How much to her? Huh?
It's 1-1.
One what? 1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay. Now, this 1.1 million, who are you going to give the 1.1? Huh? Which auntie? Huh? First year. Huh? To bring the baby to you. Okay. Now, I think we're okay for here.
Auntie, which person baby you want to pay the money?
Someone that called me. That is why.
Who called you?
Because
I'm be say the business now you be like say na lucrative business to now. To the sell pikin now you come the rain. Not be to do Yahoo again. Your bath come out the money, you get children, or you not sell your own no. You not sell your family member oh no. You not sell your brothers and sister oh no. You find another woman pikin where you carry for good 9 months. If wetin dey pay me, if say these women say na men dey be na for different small, you will be woman wey know the pain to take carry pikin for 9 good months. Now you get the mind, thief people pikin or children go dey sell. And at the end of the day now you say na devil work. Because una see our Nigeria government finish say no get head. If say the government really get head, which country this kind of thing will fit dey happen? Your pocket pikin, you dey buy human being 1-1, you just dey talk am 1-1. Wetin be 1-1? I help pity the Nigeria. Anyway, people wey dey view, if una get any comment, any contribution, na the number dey there so. Una very very free to call in and contribute, say whatever thing you want to say. Because this thing just has to be for you.
What is
want
her
to
name?
sell.
Yes.
Oh, you wait. The person called you that there is a baby available for sale. At how much the person tell you? 950. Before you now tell this one, you tell her 1 million.
You tell her how much?
This one, you now tell this one how much? Huh?
1-1. Oh, you take the sell pikin wey you not get.
1 what?
Pikin seller.
1 million what? 1 million 1 waiting. Okay. That's what they come. So this why you are here now is to pay for the baby. With this money. What do you come here to do with this money? What do you come here to do with this 1 million 1?
But I said, if the woman that goes to if I give you,
One buy. Okay, now let me give you this money.
Who is the person who give you the money?
What is the name? Huh? Huh?
I will remember the name.
Okay, no problem.
What is the name of the person?
So I will remember the name because the person just came. I will remember
From where did the person come?
It's okay, no answer. Now let me come in here. Now so the other baby now. The other baby where you sell last 2 weeks. Huh? Where is the baby now?
He's at Aba. Oh, husband and wife.
I'm not hearing you.
Okay, now husband and wife.
Now husband and wife buy that one. Okay. Okay. They come. How did they come and how they say? You take it to their house now, or they come to my house where you go with the baby to carry out. What is your name? You go to their house to deliver the baby.
I told them they carry me.
Okay, so that way you deliver the baby. Okay. What is their names?
The name is on my phone.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, my good people. Una welcome back for the show. I believe so. Una use una eye see wetin I dey tell una. Una use una ear see wetin I dey tell una. Because one thing na to talk, another thing na to see the proof, which is the evidence bring come out. This set of human being, e start with the boys. From the boys, e enter the ladies. Now everybody dey hustle. If you enter Nigeria, see the rate wey people take the hustle. Not get am wrong, e good to hustle. Money good. But make money in a legit way, in a clean way. Not be to go thief person pikin, dey sell. Not be hustle. Those one not join the hustle. Those ones are criminal issue. Pikin wey you carry put for house, wey you carry put for belle for good 9 months, another person will just come from nowhere, your thief and go sell am. Wetin then that one don't finish. The person wey carry that pikin for 9 months, how you say make e feel at the end of the day? Or the man, especially if you be say now, maybe now the kind of person wey be say he don't dey find pikin for many years. Maybe finally God come bless am. Then at the end of the day, you go thief the pikin, go sell because you need urgent money. This kind of life not good. I not be God wey dey judge you now, I not dey judge you now, but I only just dey correct and say e not good. Wanna change. Everybody say Nigeria not good, Nigeria. Not be only our leader be the problem. We will be follower, we also get our own problem. Una wey dey thief people children, so una own na even worse pass. Because if say they thief una, probably una for not dey alive till today. If say that one are small, they thief una. They go do pepper soup chop. Una for not dey alive, nobody for dey alive. But that time the country good. Now what did they happen now? Everybody want find way, everybody want meet up. Everybody hustle. Hustle good, but hustle in a good way. Hustle money where you clean, where be say person go fit ask you say where you see this money. You go see and tell the person say see the kind of work when they do. Now that one be hustle. Not be hustle to go they finish another person. The person where you the thief picking now how you say make it fee? Or the people who are the thief picking they sell at 1.1 million with evidence and everything. How you not say make the people fee? I bet if you they watch me, you want contribute, you get something to talk concerning this issue. Now my number there so now they display so for the screen. Just call the number or call me for WhatsApp. Anyone you feel call, then you go still contribute your own for this very issue. The point now be say may everybody there at alert, may everybody there aware of what did happen. Just in case you get small pikin wey never to grow, not to the throw away eye for them. Make sure say your eyes they focus on that your child, because if not, the way Nigeria been right now, people ready to thief. I not ready to thief your pikin. People ready to do anything just to get money. If not be God will disgrace this kind of people now. Tell me who for believe and told that they make money. Then tomorrow will come. Whether they spend money anyhow, you where they do claim money, you can't feel say God not they bless you. And whereas God be they bless you. These people know will make you come understand say God be they bless you. Because people like that and they spend money anyhow for occasion. You get some party where you will see the way people say they spend money anyhow, you go they imagine say these people made this money for clean way. Because if they made this money in a clean way, they know to me money where you make in a clean way, you don't get that kind of mind go they misuse anyhow. But people they misuse them because they not get the money in a clean way. If they thief one pikin, they know how much they will get for inside. If they see 2 thieves a day, they know how much they will get. And our government, those ones you for inside. You tell them say see you thief pikin now, they will tell you say you did there. They start to they quote law and law and law and law. Now make this country not they move forward. Anyway, I not plan to spend too much time, so now so I talk on this. Wanna help me share the video. If you get anything where you want advertise, or you want more people see, bring them come for me free of charge. I will do them for you. I not tell you say when you bring money. Just let me know, then I will help you advertise them. And then my YouTube be that one where you see so for the screen. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel in case when I not feel come here. Sometimes I feel go YouTube, go do video. You go see they see my video for YouTube because not be only here. I will do the video. So now so the thing be try to follow me for both YouTube and Facebook so that anywhere when I for appear, you will be the first person to see me. And as you do so, may God bless you in Jesus' name. And for those of you where they do the real work, God will bless you now. But for those of you where they thief children or thief people, picking people, children, more not change, because if you not change, now so God will continue to the disgrace one after the other. Now so more not change, you know good. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I'm gonna feel good. I'm gonna relax well.